morning. It's a beautiful sunny day here in California. It is 5:30 a.m. here at JHIC Radio. Today's forecast calls for temperatures in the 90s. You may want to put on your sunblock because it feels like Florida.
Ouch! That's hot!
Today's headlines: authorities have finally apprehended the slippery smuggler who was charged with the theft of over 1 million bananas.
Well, thank goodness I haven't had a banana smoothie all week.
The Canadian production studio Mayonnaise on an Escalator are making history at the box office with a record-breaking number of movies made in 2024. Today in history, 20 years ago, a famous singer, Joseph "Funky Monkey" Gates, passed away under mysterious circumstances. Every year on the anniversary of his death, someone else goes missing, also under mysterious circumstances.
Ah yes, the old urban legend of Funky Monkey. You know, they said that before these people went missing, they heard his song, Stylish Monkey.
That's right, of course it's all just an urban legend, but in honor of the late great Funky Monkey, here's that bomb of a song. Keep it locked here to JHIC.
That kind of stuff gives me the willies.
In the dead of night, under the moon so bright, a stylish monkey dances o'erside. Rhythm so sweet, he strums his guitar. But beware, my friend, for he's haunted from afar, far. The stylish monkey ghostly tune haunts you down neath the silver moon. Critics beware, his vengeance flies free. In the realm of the spirits, he'll make you see